Umnisi usolwa ngokusebenzisa izinkundla zokuxhumana ukuze aphehle udlame. Usolwa ngokusungula igroup kaWhatsApp eyayibizwa ngeval Operation Dudula ukuze agqugquzele izibhelu kuleli. Ukholakala ukuthi wathumela umlayezo oqoshiwe ethi kufanele kuhlaselwe imizi yamaphoyisa. Yize eyiphika le insolo uyalele ukuba ngaphawuli ngezombusazwe ezidlangalaleni.
The accused shall refrain from participating in political and social comments through any other platform while this case is still pending.
Kusenjalo uzamaswazi Majozi oneminyaka engama-36 nowaziwa ngelikasiphithiphithi evaluator enkundleni yezokuxhumana iTwitter uvele enkantolo ngemva kokuboshwa ngempela sonto.
Since she doesn't have a passport, she must report daily to the police station, as well as soon as she decides to leave the province, she must ensure that she speaks to the investigating officer and informs them of whereabouts outside the province is she going.
I believe that there's no case against her, and I'm sure as you report the situation as it develops today, you will report that she's been released, because I don't believe there's a case. This is simply acts of intimidation.
Abeyindaba bebengavunyelwa ukuba bathathe izithombe ngaphakathi kwenkantolo kanti uMajozi ukhululwe ngebheyili ye-3,000 zamarandi.